our side hustle of the week, and we like to highlight different side hustles because, well, Uber and Lyft might not be around, or other apps might not be paying well, or something like that. So make your plan B your plan A with a side hustle. So we like to
Right.
get different side hustles out there and give
Okay.
people the
Yeah.
ability.
Don't you wish we had this when we were in college, bro?
Oh, I wrote my own papers. I don't need a. They did have. Isn't this? I was looking at it. Is this basically just you could buy your term paper online?
Yes. Yes. So this girl
study documents.
It's called Study Pool, right? She posts her older high school, not just for college, high school too, papers and exams and whatever. And whoever comes and downloads this is $10 a pop. And this girl's making $5K a month by selling them. So if you have any old papers, Gabe, I think you should just go to this Study Pool and log on and upload your shit, and then somebody hits it, boom. So the way it works is there's 20 million study documents from hundreds of universities in 150 countries. Good. It's good that Study Pool or other similar websites like Brainly, see, there you go. I didn't know about Brainly, are not designed to be a place for students to cheat. See?
What?
It's not to cheat. It's not
There it is.
It's just a duplicate. Just a duplicate, not to cheat. And then it's a place for students to find solutions, answers, and questions without cheating. And then you go get the, you get the side, hey man, if you got, look, a lot of young people drive Uber and Lyft, during college, breaks and make extra cash or whatever. There you go. Start doing this on the side of the Uber and side hustle. More side hustle for you guys. Study.
That's a good idea. But it's total. It's a plagiarism mill. Come on. I mean, people. Well, I mean, OnlyFans is for musicians too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Topless musicians.
It was Cameo.
So after uploading your docs, Study Pool review and approve uploaded them for quality, whatever that means. Once approved, tens of millions of students can search and have access to your documents, and $10 a pop. It is $10 a pop. And I'm like, hey man, Sergio will be uploading all his Uber Lyft hacks. No, sir, no, Norma, not gonna happen. That's only for you and me.
No, but Serge, I'm wondering, can your professors search the database to see if check for plagiarism?
Probably. But then now that this is out, guess what? Price may be collapsing on these things just for the fact that, do you think professors care, Norm? I mean, care about what kind of normal paperwork or cheating or whatever they do? They just kind of do their shit and go on, bro.
Oh,
they don't care. They don't care. Really? Do they care?
Ivy League schools take this shit extremely seriously.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Well, this is
most
for Ivy League
schools. Yeah.
This is for UC San Diego, buddy.
Oh no! Oh, and please send all hate mail to Sergio.
More hate mail. More hate mail, please.
All right. Here's the thing. That set first off says like notes and things like that. So it's beyond just that. So if you're looking to do different things and take good notes and things like that, and another person who's using this service might not take great notes. I mean, let's be real. When I was in college, I didn't buy a book for 4 semesters and I still had Dean's Lists. So, I mean, depending on what you want to do.
Wow. See, all the stuff we don't know about Chris, man,
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.